Father, what has become of you? Have you already lost your ability to see the greater picture? Tying your ships together in war? This is ludicrous. It's like tying your hands and feet together. What a pain this is. Well then, I guess it's my duty to clean up after Father.
Forward! Destroy that pathetic excuse for a navy!
Well, that was easy. I'm home, everyone.
I won't be denied next time.
Why do they even bother?
My lord, we spotted a strange boat loaded with straw.
Straw? A fire attack? Ridiculous, there's no wind!
Finished. Forgive me.
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Why do they even bother?
Pick up the pace! We mustn't fall behind!
Retreat.
Why do they even bother?
I won't lose a second time.
Why do they even bother?
I have some catching up to do.
Sorry, fighting's not really my thing. Wow, it's a good thing I'm a fast runner.
Why do they even bother?
What is that? Some kind of altar?
What are they up to? Zhou Yu, lead the defense.
I won't be denied next time.
Why do they even bother?
Next time.
Why do they even bother?
should have brought your allies with you. I won't be denied next time.
Why do they even bother? You shall suffer for that.
Get out of my sight!
Fail to call forth the wind. This withdrawal is part of my plan.
Why do they even bother?
Now, attack!
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Why do they even bother?
Wrong guy! I'm entrusting the fire attack to you.
No problem. This will be the victory of a lifetime.
Stop Huan Guy! Prevent the fire attack!
That's what we've been waiting to see!
That's the last time you'll ever do that! Worthy opponents, we must meet again!
Why do they even bother? Their strategy has failed. Now for the final blow!
So you must be looking for trouble.
That's what we've been waiting to see! Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
Why do they even bother?
I won't be denied next time.
Why do they even bother?
Nothing to fear from the enemy!
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Why do they even bother?
Did you think you could break through our forces?
You have drawn your last breath!
Oh, it's more than we could ask for!
Get out of my sight!
Next time I will be victorious!
Why do they even bother? Why do they even bother?
You'll not have it so easy with me around. Retreat is a strategy in itself. Until next time.
Why do they even bother?
I apologize for my tardiness.
I'll pay Cao Cao back with at least one shot.
Teach them the strength of our forces!
I don't like the looks of this.
I won't lose a second time.
Why do they even bother?
That's what we've been waiting to see!
Some battles you win, and some battles you lose.
Why do they even bother?
Time to do some cleaning up!
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
Why do they even bother?
We must keep up this pace!
We have a chance to win this. We'll see who takes whose head. Get out of my sight. I must approach this calmly. Time to retreat.
Why do they even bother?
They were merely an alliance of two weaker powers. Thus, they stood no chance before the might of our forces. must be devastating for them to have lost a naval battle, something they take so much pride in. However, Liu Bei and Sun Quan are not finished yet. They will surely conspire to try and attack us again. We must be prepared for anything.